Let's decorate a blood splatter cookie. This is 1 cookie out of 5 in the beginner vampire cookie set. This is the only cookie in this set that I have actually decorated before because I hold a Halloween dinner party every single year, and I made an entire set. I mean, it's not even fair to say it was an entire set. I did about 2 dozen cookies that were all blood splatter cookies, and they were really fun and they were really easy. And so you start by with just a white base. You outline your cookie. I like to go around 2, maybe 3 times, and then you're just going to fill in the base of your cookie with that white. And you don't have to do this in any sort of prescribed way. When you watch videos on YouTube or on social media, you will often see cookie decorators showing like these very aesthetic or satisfying to watch decorating videos, and that is for the gram. That is not in real life. In real life, this would be far more chaotic, and I still have people saying, I wish you decorated that more satisfyingly. I do too. Let's just say that. Then I come in with my scribe and I just make sure that my icing is all evened out, and it's gonna go all the way to the edge of this cookie. And it looks a little messy. This is my favorite part. I call it the laundry washing machine. You're gonna let that dry, and then you're gonna come in with your red and just kind of make some blobs and run your icing around. There's no prescribed way. I will say I added a couple extra blobs to any of these lines, and there's your blood splatter cookie. Check out all the 5 cookies in the beginner vampire cookie set. Decorate them for yourself. Share them with me. I'd love to see it.